I'm going to have a tour of my house. The first thing we find is the living room. In it there are two sofas, a cabinet, a table, and four chairs. One sofa is blue and the other is gray. Both have pillows. The table is white. The chairs are gray, and the cabinet is tall and brown. In front of the living room is the kitchen. Here there is a sink and a stove. There are some drawers and curtain windows. The sink is gray. The stove is black and has 4 burners. And the drawers is beige. In the hallway, the first room we find is my bathroom. Inside it, there is a toilet, a shower, and sink. And there are several beauty products. The toilet is white. In the shower, there are some bath products. And in front of the sink, there is a mirror. Next to the bathroom is my sister's bedroom. In it, there is a white and light brown desk, a pink bed, a flat gray sofa with a kurumi pillow, and her beige closet. Next, we see some small pictures of my family. Next, in my bedroom, I have a white and beige desk with several decorations. I have a beige shelf with my books, beautiful products, awards, and more. I also have a purple bed and a beige closet. Further down the hallway, we find my parents' bathroom. In it, there is a white toilet, a shower with several products, a sink, a mirror, and my mom's makeup. Finally, we find my parents' bedroom. In it, there is a very long big bed, a dark desk with a computer, a TV, a shelf with my mom's bags, and my mom's books, and a beige closet. Thank you, teacher, for watching my video. Goodbye. Next to the bathroom, finally we find my parents' bedroom. Next we see some small Next is my bedroom.